Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name is John McDonald, and today we're going to make a simple arrangement, kind of following on from some of the other dried ones that we've done. And I wanted to reuse this little sculpture. Now, this I got in a charity shop or a kind of like second-hand shop, and it's a nice wooden sculpture. Yeah, but in itself it's a bit boring. But it is something that you could use for flowers. So I wanted to combine that with a base. So this was an offcut of our kitchen counter, and we can use that to really act as a base for our thing. And then I've got this nice branch. So we've got potential here with this hole that we can create something interesting, and it's how best to stage it, how best to do it. So straight away there, that's sitting really nicely. But you might have wanted to go up the way. You need to look at the line that's in your materials and how best it would work. And then also, is that going to tie in with things being secure, things being stable? Do you know what I mean? Like, it needs to be able to sit. So that's quite interesting as well. But is it going to sit is what you need to know. But I quite liked it when we had it this way. I think works really well because we've got essentially a round shape here, and this has got a nice curve, so that's in line with that roundness that we've got. And to add our focal point, what I wanted to use was these dried sunflowers. So these were ones that I had in the garden that have just dried off. And the great thing about using dried materials is you can keep them and reuse them and reuse them. So straight away, just putting that in gives us a focal point, but it also gives us another line as a contrast to our branches line. And we can just literally sit in that second one to kind of just strengthen that focal point area. And then our last bit of material is another dried grass actually, and this we can just place in. And this is the great thing about using dried materials is you can do things with dried materials or artificial materials that you couldn't do with fresh. So we can just sit that in. It doesn't have to be in water, and it's fine. As long as it's going to be in an area where it's not going to get moved or damaged, then that's perfect. But straight away we've created an arrangement that was simple, quick, quite eye-catching, and just using materials that we can then reuse at a later date. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Keep an eye out for interesting containers in those charity shops, and follow us on Facebook as well. We do share different things there from now and again, and we have new videos every week. So if you've enjoyed this video, click here to subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.